Do you have a floor in your house that you really would like to upgrade, but you just don't have a large budget for it? My name's Hannah with WTI, and that was the case with our bathroom. That floor was hideous. But ZRJT had these really pretty peel and stick vinyl floor tiles that we used in it, and it gave our bathroom such an upgrade. These things, one, they're beautiful, and two, they are so easy to install. You can just peel that back off and stick that baby on, or if you're worried about not getting it in the correct position the first time, you actually can get the floor wet and the tile wet, stick it on, and it will still stick just as well. And then if you need to move it around, it's much easier to lift it up and relay it. The adhesion is still just as good. This is a really thin tile. So personally, I love that because I was able to lay it just over the linoleum that was already there, and I didn't have to worry about our toilet flange being the wrong height. This went over our linoleum floor just fine. I'm super impressed with this. Our bathroom looks so much better. Highly recommend this if you need a quick fix to an ugly floor. But that's just my point of view.